In the digital age, artificial intelligence, AI, is not just a technological marvel but also a powerful tool for generating income. Whether you're an entrepreneur, freelancer, or enthusiast, harnessing the potential of AI can help you achieve the goal of making $100 a day online. This comprehensive guide will walk you through various strategies, from leveraging AI-powered platforms to creating your AI-driven ventures. AI language models like GPT-3 have revolutionized content creation. You can offer content writing services to businesses, bloggers, or website owners. Start by identifying your niche and target audience. AI can assist in generating drafts, blog posts, social media content, product descriptions, and more. With efficient AI assistance, you can handle multiple clients and create high-quality content, easily reaching $100 a day. AI-powered chatbots are in high demand for enhancing customer support and engagement. Businesses seek efficient ways to interact with customers 24/7. You can offer chatbot development services, from designing conversational flows to implementing AI-driven responses. Build bots that handle inquiries, gather customer information, and even facilitate sales, allowing clients to provide seamless support without constant human intervention. Businesses require data-driven insights for decision-making. Utilize AI tools to analyze large datasets quickly and extract valuable trends and patterns. Position yourself as a data analyst offering AI-enhanced insights. Whether it's market research, customer behavior analysis, or trend forecasting, AI can assist in identifying critical information that guides businesses to success. Social media plays a vital role in marketing strategies. AI-driven tools can schedule posts, curate content, and even engage with audiences. As a social media manager, offer businesses comprehensive services that combine AI-powered content suggestions, automated posting, performance analytics, and engagement tracking. By managing multiple clients, you can achieve a steady income stream. If you possess trading or investment knowledge, consider AI-powered trading platforms. These platforms use algorithms to analyze market trends and execute trades. Engage in day trading or algorithmic trading, utilizing AI's ability to process vast amounts of data quickly. With the right strategies and a solid understanding of market dynamics, you can potentially achieve daily profits exceeding $100. Combine AI with digital marketing for more effective campaigns. AI can optimize ad targeting, identify trends, and predict user behavior. Offer businesses AI-enhanced digital marketing services, including creating and testing ads, segmenting audiences, and analyzing campaign performance. This approach can lead to higher conversion rates and more significant returns on investment. Voice-powered technology is on the rise. Develop voice applications or skills for platforms like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. You can create solutions that offer information, entertainment, or productivity features. Charge clients for the development of these voice-based applications tailored to their needs. E-commerce stores constantly seek ways to enhance user experiences and boost sales. AI tools can optimize product recommendations, personalize shopping experiences, and analyze customer behavior. As an AI-driven e-commerce optimizer, offer services that include improving website navigation, enhancing checkout processes, and implementing AI-powered chatbots for customer support. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, experiences are gaining traction. If you're skilled in VR, AR content creation, offer businesses or individuals immersive experiences. Collaborate with clients to design virtual showrooms, interactive tours, or training simulations using AI-driven technologies for a unique value proposition. AI-generated art is a burgeoning field. Leverage AI algorithms to create digital art, animations, or music. Sell your creations on platforms like NFT marketplaces, personal websites, or art galleries. As AI-generated art gains popularity, your unique creations can attract art enthusiasts and collectors. Content creation is essential for online businesses, but it can be time-consuming. AI language models like GPT-3 can assist in generating high-quality content quickly. You can offer services such as blog post writing, social media content creation, email newsletters, and even video scripts. Collaborate with clients to understand their brand voice and target audience, then use AI to draft content. You'll still need to review and edit the output for accuracy and coherence, adding your unique touch. By streamlining the writing process, you can take on multiple clients and meet their content needs efficiently, bringing in over $100 a day. Businesses are looking to provide seamless customer support around the clock. As a chatbot developer, you'll need to understand client requirements, design conversational flows, and implement AI algorithms for natural language processing. Train the chatbot to handle common queries, offer product recommendations, and even facilitate transactions. Charging clients for the initial setup, ongoing management, and fine-tuning of the chatbot can contribute significantly to your daily income. Data analysis is crucial for informed decision-making. AI can process vast datasets more efficiently than humans. As a data analyst, your role involves collecting, cleaning, and analyzing data to extract meaningful insights. Use AI tools to identify trends, correlations, and predictive patterns. Create comprehensive reports that offer actionable recommendations for businesses. Whether it's identifying customer preferences, optimizing marketing strategies, or predicting market trends, your AI-augmented insights can be invaluable to clients, justifying your earnings of $100 or more a day. Social media presence is a must for businesses, but managing multiple platforms can be overwhelming. As a social media manager, you'll craft a content strategy, design visuals, and set up AI-driven scheduling tools. Monitor engagement metrics and adjust your strategy accordingly. Offering package deals that encompass content creation, posting, and engagement can attract clients looking for a comprehensive solution. With multiple clients, you can easily reach your goal of $100 a day. AI has transformed trading and investment strategies. Algorithmic trading involves using AI algorithms to analyze market data and execute trades. You'll need a deep understanding of trading principles and the ability to develop or configure trading algorithms. Experiment with different strategies, backtest them using historical data, and optimize for maximum returns. It's important to note that trading involves risks, and a comprehensive understanding of market dynamics is crucial. With successful strategies, you can achieve daily profits that exceed $100, but also keep in mind that losses are a possibility. Digital marketing benefits immensely from AI's capabilities. AI tools can analyze vast amounts of data to optimize ad targeting, identify trends, and predict user behavior. As a digital marketing specialist, you can offer services such as audience segmentation, personalized content recommendations, and A/B testing for ad campaigns. Collaborate with clients to understand their business goals and tailor your AI-enhanced strategies to achieve those goals. With increased engagement, click-through rates, and conversions, your services can become a reliable source of daily income. Voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant are changing how users interact with technology. You can develop voice applications or skills that provide valuable information, entertainment, or productivity features. Start by identifying the needs of your target audience and designing a voice-driven solution to meet those needs. Whether it's a trivia game, a language learning skill, or a weather update application, your creativity and AI integration can earn you income through development fees and ongoing maintenance. E-commerce businesses are continuously seeking ways to enhance user experiences and boost sales. AI tools can offer personalized product recommendations based on customer behavior, analyze purchasing patterns, and optimize pricing strategies. Collaborate with e-commerce businesses to optimize their websites, improve the checkout process, and implement AI-powered chatbots for customer support. Your services can lead to increased sales and customer satisfaction, with your daily earnings surpassing $100. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, experiences are becoming more immersive and interactive. If you possess skills in VR, AR content creation, consider offering businesses or individuals unique experiences. Whether it's virtual tours of real estate properties or interactive training simulations, your creativity combined with AI-powered technologies can provide value to clients. Create engaging and immersive content, charging for your expertise in designing memorable experiences. The fusion of AI and creativity has given rise to AI-generated art, music, and animations. AI algorithms can produce unique and intriguing works that appeal to art enthusiasts and collectors. Experiment with different algorithms and styles to create digital art pieces. Sell your creations on NFT marketplaces, personal websites, or art galleries. With the growing interest in AI-generated art, you can monetize your creative outputs, potentially exceeding $100 a day.